In the vast ocean of the cosmos, our home is a fragile blue world, adrift among the stars. We circle a single, unremarkable star, our sun, one of countless beacons in the darkness. Yet this star is just one among hundreds of billions, woven into the grand tapestry of the Milky Way. These stars swirl together, forming a luminous river, a galaxy shimmering in the cosmic night. This is our galaxy, our island in the universe. When you gaze up from a place untouched by city lights, that faint milky band stretching across the sky is the collective glow of uncountable distant suns, light traveling for ages to reach your eyes. We are inside the Milky Way's disk, peering out from within its spiral arms. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, a cosmic pinwheel with a brilliant, mysterious heart. Imagine a glowing bar at the center, with arms unfurling outward in a graceful dance. These arms spiral into the void, carrying stars, planets, and the seeds of life. Our solar system drifts within the Orion Arm, about 2/3 of the way from the galaxy's blazing core. The Milky Way stretches over 100,000 light-years, so vast that even light needs 100 millennia to cross it. Its scale defies imagination, a cosmic city of stars, dust, and dark mysteries. At the galaxy's heart lurks a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A, a gravitational titan, 4 million times the mass of our Sun. It anchors the galaxy, shaping the orbits of everything around it. Every star, every cloud of gas, even our Sun, slowly circles this invisible center, taking hundreds of millions of years to complete a single orbit. One revolution, 230 million years, a cosmic year in the life of our Sun. But the Milky Way is not alone in the void. It is part of a vast cosmic web, a network of galaxies stretching across the universe. Galaxies of every shape and size drift, collide, and merge in this endless expanse. Sometimes, galaxies meet, colliding in slow-motion ballets that reshape their destinies. These encounters forge new forms, new stars, and new stories. The Milky Way's tale is one of tranquil beauty and cosmic drama. It is shaped by both peaceful solitude and spectacular collisions. These grand events have sculpted our galaxy's spiral arms and will continue to shape its fate. The future of the Milky Way is still being written among the stars. To understand the structure of our galaxy is to glimpse our place in the universe, a single note in a cosmic symphony. The Milky Way's journey is far from over. Its story is just beginning. When galaxies meet, it is not a violent crash, but a breathtaking ballet unfolding in the darkness. Two galaxies spiral closer, drawn together by invisible threads of gravity, moving in a slow, transformative dance. Each is a vast realm of emptiness, where stars are scattered like distant lanterns in a boundless night. Imagine, if our Sun were a single grain of sand, its nearest neighbor would be kilometers away, lost in the cosmic sea. In this emptiness, collisions are rare, but the dance is inevitable. As galaxies draw near, gravity stretches and warps them, sculpting their shapes in slow motion. Tidal tails, long, luminous streams of stars and gas, unfurl like ribbons, painting the darkness with light. The stars themselves almost never touch. Instead, their orbits are forever changed, flung into new paths. Some are cast adrift into the void between galaxies, exiles in the endless dark. The galaxies pass through one another, their forms unraveling and reforming with each encounter. Over millions of years they merge, two spirals becoming one, their original shapes lost to time. What remains is often a giant glowing elliptical galaxy, a sphere of ancient stars adrift in the cosmos. This is the universe's way of building ever larger structures, forging beauty from chaos. Galactic collisions are not just destruction, they are transformation, the birth of something new. Through these grand mergers, the universe grows, changes, and tells its story in light and shadow. Each collision rewrites the fate of the galaxies involved, a cosmic dance that never truly ends. In the silence of space, the dance continues, mysterious and eternal. The Milky Way reigns as the luminous heart of our local group, encircled by a retinue of smaller, shadowy dwarf galaxies. Across billions of years, our galaxy has devoured many of these silent companions, leaving behind ghostly rivers of stars, delicate stellar streams that whisper of ancient cosmic feasts. Even now, the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy is being slowly drawn in, its remnants spiraling around the Milky Way like a shimmering ribbon of fate. Yet these minor mergers are only the opening act to a cosmic drama, the inevitable collision with the mighty Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda, grander than the Milky Way and drifting just 2.5 million light-years away, is hurtling toward us at a breathtaking 110 kilometers per second. This celestial collision is written in the stars. Astronomers foresee its first act beginning in about 4.5 billion years. When these giants meet, our galactic neighborhood will be forever transformed, forging a new colossal galaxy from the chaos. The night sky will become a stage for this cosmic ballet, as Andromeda swells ever larger, until it merges and dances with the Milky Way. This encounter will be among the most spectacular events in our galaxy's long history, a cosmic spectacle written across the heavens. Even now we are witnessing the quiet prelude to this titanic merger. The universe is never still, its grand story forever unfolding. Galaxies are not just collections of stars, they are living tapestries woven from clouds of gas and dust, glowing in the cosmic night. Within these swirling clouds, new stars are born, igniting like sparks in a vast celestial forge. When galaxies collide, their gas and dust crash together, unleashing storms of starbirth that light up the darkness. These cosmic encounters set the heavens ablaze with brilliant young stars, brief beacons in the endless night. Yet, the greatest mystery is hidden from our eyes: dark matter, an invisible force that shapes the universe. Though unseen, dark matter outweighs everything we know, comprising nearly 85% of all matter. We sense its presence only by its pull, binding galaxies together against the urge to fly apart. In galactic collisions, dark matter halos pass through one another, silent and undisturbed, guiding the fate of the merging galaxies. The gravity of dark matter orchestrates this cosmic ballet, deciding the final shape of the newborn galaxy. Without this hidden force, the universe would unravel, its grand collisions playing out in ways we cannot imagine. The chaos we see, stars flung, gas swirling, is only the surface. Dark matter is the unseen architect behind it all. Every galactic merger is a dance of the visible and the invisible, a story written in both light and shadow. The universe's deepest secrets are hidden in these encounters, woven into the very fabric of space and time. Dark matter remains the silent force, shaping the destiny of galaxies and leaving us in awe of the mysteries that lie beyond our sight. In the heart of the cosmos, galactic collisions are both cataclysm and genesis, destruction and creation entwined in a cosmic ballet. Spiraling arms, once elegant and serene, are torn asunder, ripped apart by the relentless pull of gravity. Structures dissolve, erased in the chaos, as galaxies are unmade and remade in the darkness. Yet, from this cosmic storm, new stars ignite in explosive starbursts, brilliant beacons born from the wreckage. The merging galaxies blaze with youthful light, illuminating the darkness with hope and fury. These starbursts are fleeting, brief flashes of brilliance in the cosmic night, forging millions of suns from the ashes of chaos. When the last reserves of gas are spent, the fire of creation dims and starbirth slows to a whisper. The newborn galaxy settles, vast, spheroidal, transformed by violence into tranquil majesty. It becomes an elliptical galaxy, silent and immense. Astronomers call these giants red and dead, filled with ancient, cooling stars, their youthful fire spent. At each core, supermassive black holes spiral in a fateful embrace, drawing closer with every cosmic heartbeat, until they merge in a final, violent crescendo. The collision sends ripples, gravitational waves, surging across the universe, echoing through the cosmic void. The aftermath, a new, even larger black hole reigning at the heart of the merged galaxy. Galactic mergers are symphonies of the universe, destruction and creation, chaos and beauty, all unfolding on a grand cosmic stage. Each collision leaves an indelible mark, an echo in the fabric of the universe. And so, the eternal cycle of creation and destruction continues, shaping the cosmos forevermore. Galactic collisions are the architects of the cosmos, shaping the universe in ways both wondrous and profound. Through these titanic encounters, the universe evolves, each merger a chapter in a cosmic epic. The Lambda CDM model whispers of a universe born in smooth simplicity, where the first galaxies flickered into existence, small, fragile islands of light. Over eons, these galaxies were drawn together by gravity's invisible hand, merging and growing into the majestic spirals and giants we see today, like our own Milky Way. When we gaze at distant galaxies, we peer back in time, witnessing a universe teeming with smaller, chaotic forms, where collisions were once the rule, not the exception. These ancient mergers fueled the growth and transformation of galaxies, sculpting their shapes, their stars, and their destinies. In the heart of these cosmic collisions, starbursts ignite. Massive stars are forged in brilliant waves of creation, only to explode as supernovae, scattering the seeds of new worlds into the void. This cosmic alchemy enriches the universe, making future stars, planets, and perhaps even life itself possible. By unraveling the mysteries of galactic mergers, we test our understanding of the universe's most elusive force, dark matter. Simulations of these grand collisions allow scientists to refine their models and glimpse the invisible threads that bind the cosmos. Each galactic merger is a natural laboratory, where the universe's deepest mysteries are revealed in the dance of stars and shadow. Galactic collisions are engines of cosmic transformation, building the universe one spectacular merger at a time. Our own Milky Way is a living testament to this eternal process, a masterpiece still in motion. Imagine two galaxies, the Milky Way and Andromeda, locked in a silent approach across the void. Their destinies entwined, they are drawn together by gravity's invisible hand. In about 4.5 billion years, these cosmic giants will meet in a breathtaking collision. Their first close encounter will send ripples through the stars, flinging luminous streams of suns and worlds into the darkness. Clouds of gas will be torn free, painting the cosmos with new light. The night sky will transform, unfamiliar and wondrous. Over 1 billion years, the galaxies will spiral and merge, until a new colossal galaxy is born from their union. Astronomers call it Milky Way, a giant elliptical galaxy, forged in cosmic fire. The elegant spiral arms we know will fade away, replaced by a haunting reddish glow of ancient stars. At the heart, two supermassive black holes will spiral together, merging in a final cataclysmic embrace, becoming one. Our solar system may survive this cosmic ballet, but its place in the new galaxy will be forever changed. The sun itself could be cast into a new orbit, or even flung into the lonely dark between galaxies. By then, the sun will be old, its light fading, and Earth may no longer cradle life. The galactic collision will be a spectacle beyond imagination, but for life on Earth, new challenges will arise. This cosmic perspective reminds us, we are a fleeting part of a universe in constant motion. Our story unfolds on timescales far beyond our own. We are woven into a cosmic tale that began long before us and will echo long after we are gone. The universe's grand narrative continues, with or without us, mysterious, eternal, and awe-inspiring.